Hi again. The nature of this test, the nature of these problems on this test is to plot points and figure out where lines cross. I'm sorry, I should have said plot lines and figure out where they actually cross. So what I have here, if you look over here, I have two lines, and the question is I want you to find the intersection of these two lines. So let's see, here's what the kids would need to know how to do. If I take the first line, y equals 2/3 x plus 2. I need to know how to plot that. So what I would do is my first point would be the y-intercept, which would be at 2. So I'd plot that point, as you can see that I did here. And then the slope I know is positive 2/3. So my next point, I would go from here, I would go up 2, and then over 1, 2, 3, and that would be my point. And then I'd like to draw the line that goes through there, and there it is. Now to plot my second line, y equals negative 4/3 x plus 8. I would plot the y-intercept, which would be 8, and I get that by putting a 0 in for x, and when I do, when x is 0, y is 8. And then I would get my second point by using the slope right here, which is negative 4/3. So I would go, from here I would go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over 1, 2, 3. And my point B is already there. So when I draw the line, I can see B, the point that I originally found, is the point they're going to cross at. So in this case, and this point is located at 1, 2, 3, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. So the solution set for this would be the point, 4, 3, 4 is where those two lines would cross. Now, the last thing that I'm going to ask the students do, let me just expand this window here, okay, is to show me that their solution set worked. So take 3 and plug it in for the x value, take 4, plug it in for the y value, and show me that it works. So I would say from this equation it would be 4 equals 2/3 times 3 for the x value plus 2. So 4 equals 2/3 times 3 is 2, 2 plus 2, and 4 does equal 4. So that equation checks out. Now take the same thing, take 3 and put it in x for this one, take 4 and put it in y for this equation, and we have 4 is equal to negative 4/3 times 3 plus 8. Negative 4/3 times 3 is negative 4 plus 8, and negative 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. So it works, and we've plotted it, we found the point, and we put the point in both equations to show that it is indeed on both.